Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is solving linear recurrence relation. Coming to the definition of linear homogeneous recurrence relation, a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree k with constant coefficients is a recurrence relation of the form an is equal to c1 an minus 1 plus c2 an minus 2 plus so on plus ck an minus k, where c1 c2 c3 and so on ck are real numbers and the value ck cannot be a zero. Okay, if you have this type of recurrence relation, a then the recurrence relation is called a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree k. Here we have some examples. First example, the recurrence relation Pn is equal to 1.11 Pn minus 1 is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 1. This is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 1. And in the second example, the recurrence relation Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. So this is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 2. And in the third example, the recurrence relation An is equal to An minus 5 is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 5. So in fourth example, the recurrence relation an is equal to an minus 1 plus a square n minus 2. So this is not in a form of an is equal to c1. It is not in a form of an is equal to c1 an minus 1 plus c2 an minus 2 plus so on plus ck an minus k. Therefore, it is not a linear recurrence relation. It is not a linear homogeneous recurrence relation. So, if you have a linear homogeneous recurrence relation, how to solve those linear homogeneous recurrence relation? Okay, we'll see working procedures to solve linear homogeneous recurrence relation with constant coefficients. Here I have taken example. What is the solution of the recurrence relation? An is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2 with a naught with initial conditions with a naught is 2 and a1 is equal to 7. You have a recurrence relation. It is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 2. So what is the solution of this recurrence relation? How to solve this? Okay, I'll explain here how to solve this recurrence relation. Consider, write down whatever the given recurrence relation is given. That is an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2. It can be written as an. If you bring these two terms to LHS side, becomes minus an minus 1 minus 2 an minus 2 is equal to 0. Then write down the characteristic equation of the recurrence relation. The characteristic equation of the recurrence relation is r square minus, it is a recurrence relation, it is a homogeneous, linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 2. So you get degree 2 equation r square minus r minus 2 is equal to 0. So r square minus r minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. Now try to find out the roots of this characteristic equation. So on factor, find out the factors of roots of these characteristic equation. R square minus r minus 2 can be written as r square minus 2r plus r minus 2 is equal to 0. From this we get two roots. R is equal to minus 1, alpha 1 is minus 1 and alpha 2 is minus 2. We got two different roots. Okay, when roots are different, hence the solution to given recurrence relation is, when you get two different roots, the solution to given recurrence relation is an is equal to a into first root alpha 1 power n plus b into alpha 2 power n. We have alpha 1 as a minus 1 and alpha 2 is plus 2. So by substituting alpha 1 and alpha 2, you get the solution to the recurrence relation, that is a of minus 1 power n plus b of b into 2 power n. So this is the solution to recurrence relation. Now we have an initial condition. From the initial conditions, it follows that a naught is equal to a into, by substituting n is equal to 0, you get a naught is equal to a into minus 1 power 0 plus b into 2 power 0. So A naught is 2. Initial condition is given in the problem itself. A naught is 2. Minus 1 power something power 0 is 1, you get A plus B. Something power 0 is 1, you get B. Okay. A plus B is equal to 2 here, and by substituting n is equal to 1, you get A1. A1 is equal to A of minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into B power 1. So minus power 1 is minus 1, that is minus A plus 2B. So minus A plus 2B is 7. On solving these two equations, you get A and B values. A value is minus 1 and B is equal to 3. Here I have solved first and second equation to find out A and B values. B is 3 and A is minus 1. Therefore, required solution is AN is equal to minus 1 into. What is our required solution? See, this is our solution. A into minus 1 power n plus B into 2 power n. We have just got the values of A and B by substituting A value here as a minus 1 and B value 3. You get the required solution, that is minus 1 into minus 1 power n plus 3 into 2 power n is the required solution with initial condition A naught is 2 and A1 is 7. This is about solving linear homogeneous recurrence relation. Let us consider another example. In example 2, what is the solution of the recurrence relation an is equal to 6an minus 1 minus 9an minus 2 with initial condition a naught is equal to 1 and a1 is equal to 6. Okay, here also look at this recurrence relation. Is it a linear homogeneous recurrence relation? Yes, it is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation. It is in a form of an is equal to c1 an minus 1 plus c2 an minus 2 plus so on plus ck an minus k. Okay, it is a recurrence relation. It is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 2. Okay, now first step is to write the characteristic equation of this recurrence relation. So what will be the characteristic equation of this recurrence relation? It becomes r square minus 6r plus 9 is equal to 0 r square. So now find out the roots of this characteristic equation. We got two roots which are equal roots. R minus 3 into r minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha is equal to 3. When roots are real and equal. In the last problem, we got two different roots, but we got two equal roots which are real roots. Okay. The solution to this recurrence relation when roots are real and equal, an is equal to a plus bn into alpha power n. A plus bn into alpha power n. A plus bn where alpha is the root which is repeated. We got two equal roots. No, alpha is 3 here. So by substituting alpha value as a 3, we got the solution, that is an is equal to a plus bn into 3 power n. So this is the solution. But with this problem is not over. We have initial values. From the initial condition, it follows that a naught is equal to a into 3 power 0 plus b of 0. By substituting n is equal to 0, we get this equation. A naught is equal to a into 3 power 0 plus b into, where n is 0, b into 0 into 3 power 0. 0 into something will become 0. Something power 0 is 1. 1 into a is a is equal to 1, where a naught is 1. Initial condition, a naught value given as a 1 in the problem. Next, by substituting n is equal to 1, we get a1. A1 is equal to a into 3 power 1 plus b into 1 into 3 power 1. A1 is equal to 1 into 3 power 1 is 1 into 3 plus b into 3 power 1 is 3. So we get 3 plus 3b is equal to 6, where a1 is 6. So from this, we can calculate 6 minus 3 is equal to 3b. 3b is equal to 3. 3b is equal to 3. Therefore, b is equal to 1. We got a value as a 1, b also 1. Therefore, an is equal to, this is the solution, no? An is equal to, a is 1 into 3 power n plus 1 into n into 3 power n is a solution to the given recurrence relation. So on simplification, we get, if I take 3 power n common, you get 1 plus n. 3 power n into 1 plus n is the required solution to the given linear homogeneous recurrence relation. Okay, next example. Find the solution to the recurrence relation. An is equal to 6an minus 1 minus 11an minus 2 plus 6an minus 3 with the initial conditions a0 is 2, a1 is 5 and a2 is equal to 15. Okay, here also we are finding the solutions to the given recurrence relation. You must identify, is it a linear homogeneous recurrence relation? Yes, it is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation. What is the degree of this linear homogeneous recurrence relation? So the given recurrence relation is an is equal to 6 an minus 1 minus 11 an minus 2 plus 6 an minus 3. The degree of this recurrence relation is 3. Therefore, you get the characteristic equation of this recurrence relation as r cube minus 6r square plus 11r minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, we got a cubic equation because it is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree 3. Therefore, we got this cubic equation. So, find out the roots of this equation. By synthetic division, you can find out the roots of this equation. Okay, I have written here, I have solved how to find the roots of this equation. R cube quotient is 1 minus 6, 11 minus 6. So 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 5 plus 6. Yes, this can be written as 1 is a root of this equation, r minus 1 into r square minus 5r plus 6 is equal to 0. R minus 1 into r square 5 minus 5r can be written as minus 2r minus 3r plus 6 is equal to 0. On simplification, we get r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2 and r is equal to 3. We got three different roots. Okay, we got three different roots. When you get three different roots, the solution to the recurrence relation is an is equal to a into alpha 1 power n plus b into alpha 2 power n plus c into alpha 3 power n. Okay, in the last problem we got two equal roots. In that case, solution became like an is equal to a plus bn into alpha power n. But here we got three different roots. The solution to this recurrence relation will become a into alpha 1 power n plus b into alpha 2 power n plus c into alpha 3 power n. So therefore, by substituting alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 values, we got this solution. An is equal to a into alpha 1 here 1 power n plus b alpha 2, that is second root is 2 power n plus c 3 power n. With initial condition it follows. Okay, a0 is given, a1 is given, a2 is given. With those initial conditions, it follows that by substituting n equal to 0, we got a0 which is equal to a plus b plus c. Something power 0 is 1, something power 0 is 1. So you get 1, a into 1 is a plus b into 1 is b plus c into 1 is c. So therefore, first equation by substituting n equal to 0, we got this. By substituting n equal to 1, you get a1 is equal to a plus 2b plus 3c, where a1 is equal to 5. a1 is given as a 5 in the problem. So substitute a1 value, we get the second equation. 5 is equal to a plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 5. And next a2 is equal to a plus 4b plus 9c. By substituting n is equal to 2, we got a2 value, that is 15 is equal to a plus 4b plus 9c. See, on solving 1, 2, 3, here we have a 3 values, 3 equations. To get A, B, C values, we need to solve these 3 equations. On solving these 3, we got A, B, C values as a 1, We got ABC values. Therefore, the required solution will be AN is equal to 1 into 1 power n plus B into 2 power n plus C into 3 power n. Therefore, the required solution will become AN is equal to 1 minus 2 power n plus 2 into 3 power n. A values as a 1, B value as a minus 1, 3 is 2. We got A, B, C as a 1 minus 1, 2. Okay, this is about solving recurrence relation